In this video, I will show you how to use Gamma AI with Notion to build professional presentations quickly. Let's get started. I begin on my Gamma dashboard and click on the Create New AI button at the top. From the options provided, I select Paste in Text to use existing content for my slides. I make sure the presentation mode is selected before moving over to my Notion workspace. In Notion, I have a guide for new applicants ready to go. I highlight all the text, including the headers and bullet points, right-click, and select Copy. Switching back to Gamma, I click into the text box and paste everything I just copied from Notion. You can see the full outline of the guide is now populated in the field. Next, I scroll down and choose the option to generate from notes or an outline, then click Continue to Prompt Editor. The AI begins configuring the prompt and automatically generates a structured outline for my presentation based on the Notion content. Once I'm happy with the outline, I click Continue. Now, I get to pick a theme that matches the vibe of my presentation. I'll select a clean, professional design and hit Generate. Watch as the AI builds the entire deck in real time, creating individual slides for the introduction, requirements, and even common mistakes. Once it's finished, I can freely edit any part of the presentation. I can change the content, swap out images, or add more sections to further customize the look. This is a great way to turn static documents into engaging visuals in just a few minutes. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI with Notion to build presentations.